I see the same words till my dreams turn gray. I hear my teacher's voice all day. I take each note but forget what it meant. I feel my brain slowly paying rent. I find no joy in endless chance. I think my verbs have started to dance. I get a new word before I'm done. I make excuses, I already did one. I write and draw, my fingers groan. I tear one page when my patience is gone. I break my pencil, throw my pen, then begin the same horror again. I sit, I stand, the bell rings, I go. My energy falls like lazy snow. I come to school, I run through class, I eat my lunch too slow to pack. I wear my boredom like a crown. I draw my doodles upside down. You speak too much, my teacher cries. You sleep in class with half shut eyes. You forget your homework every day. You steal our patience, that's what they say. I hide my laughter, bite my lip. I hold my grin, don't let it slip.